there she killed another one. Now this mini pine bush out in front of my house has many bees. Now I'm just gonna leave the praying mantis out here. I bet you by tomorrow or Monday there'll be no more bees on this bush. This praying mantis will get all of them. So I took care of it, got it through that little rough patch, you know, with the weather, and it was freezing at night. So I took it inside, and now it's going to be warm for a few days. So I think this is the end of our relationship. Looks like I found some good eats here, so